Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 2nd March and around 9:30 p.m. Let's directly go to the PPT and see how market respected our numbers, what all we did today and what we are going to do for tomorrow. Okay, so this is for 2nd March. So it is a trend change date. I clearly mentioned. And yesterday, I clearly mentioned that we have not taken any positional long. And today, it was a fall and it was a trend change date. So the trend was completely changed in the morning itself. And we saw a good fall in the market. It was a gap down. And I clearly mentioned first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. Okay. And today, the first 15 minutes high is not crossed. And after that, we saw a fall, but ultimately it recovered fully in the second half, and then it went and closed, touched exactly this number, which is our pivot number, which is 16,641, and closed little below. So this is our weekly bullish number, pivot number for the coming week, and we have only 2 days to go. Okay, so it went exactly, touched that number and came down. Okay, and we have not taken any positional long, as I already mentioned. Only above this we will go positional long, otherwise we will not take any positional long at this market. It has to close above 16,792 at least for 30 minutes, then only we'll take long, otherwise we will not take long. And yesterday it went very near to this and close to below, and we saw a fall today. Okay, so coming to tomorrow, maybe we'll first go to the graph and see how it worked today. Okay, so this is Nifty 50 spot on 15 minutes. This was the first 15 minutes high and low, and the next candle it started coming down, right? So it came down all the way, but again it recovered everything in the second half. And this is our number 16,641, the weekly pivot number. It went exactly, touched that number and closed to below, right? And coming to Bank Nifty, the first 15 minutes it was a open is equal to high, so more or less confirmed here itself, and we saw a good fall. Again it went and touched it moved very well, but it went and restricted. The resistance was here on 15 minutes candle. Based on my system design, it went and touched and closed to below. Okay, so this is what happened yesterday. And one more thing which I want to show you is my favorite metals, and see how pitchfork catches the exact top. Okay, so this is again here, it got the exact bottom on 20th December, and again it came down, took the support of the channel, and it went exactly touched to my pitchfork line. And this is not the longer time frame pitchfork. This is a shorter time frame pitchfork. So it went and touched here and closed little below, but anyway it closed above 11th February high. This is what I mentioned yesterday. 11th February high 6077. It closed above. So I have given all the targets in my PPT. Once it breaks today's high. Okay, so this is a shorter time frame pitchfork. If I connect this dot, one second, I'll tell you. Let's draw again new, no problem. So this was the exact height. Move above this, possibility of going here, but I've given all the targets based on Vedic numbers. You can simply watch that. So metal index was literally rocking, and March month belongs to IT. If you go to IT, if I remove everything, and it was exactly at the bottom. Let's see what happens. It is not only Nifty IT. Most of the counters. Most of the indices are at the bottom. So let's say Auto, yeah, it is looking little okay when compared to others. Metal was rocking, and this is FMCG below, so kindly avoid. Pharma, yes, yesterday it touched the blue color line, which is my system design, and it went up. And this is infra is at the bottom, CNSIT at the bottom. PS index yesterday it touched, it was doing good today. So mostly I think the bottom is done till it holds this day low, which is 20th December low. If it breaks index, if it breaks these lows, even in Nifty and Bank Nifty, which I already showed you in my previous video, we need to be very, very cautious on the market. And consumer index exactly sitting at the support, and commodity is okay, little okay, but it took the support exactly at the blue year. And this is all weekly time frame, all weekly time frame. And service industry, it has to, maybe it will come here and take the support. Let's watch. And this is PSU Bank. It has to do well, the coming future. Most probably, I'm expecting some kind of rally from tomorrow. Let's watch. Nothing on positional, nothing on positional. Okay, so for positional, we need some more time. So energy is looking good. So these are the index which I want to show to you. So all index are at the bottom, and if you take Dow Jones, exactly took the support yesterday in my red color number at bounced. This is on a weekly basis, and S&P, yep, this was a trend change day, and it was holding. And Nasdaq, yeah, this looks little weak, so I'm not concerned about this. So Dow Jones and S&P has taken exact support at the bottom. Let's watch how it is going to do in the coming week. Okay, so now let's go to the tomorrow's view. Okay, so now for tomorrow, and just a moment, yeah. See, this is an important date, high and low I have already marked. This high and low is valid till 7th March, okay, the next date. And these numbers mark it in your system. Above this is bullish, below this is bearish. Very simple, okay. And this number I already gave you in the morning itself, before the market opens. Okay, so now coming to tomorrow, yeah, still this holds, nothing changed. And today it was a doji pattern as well as an inside bar pattern on the trend change date, which is very, very powerful. Break above 28th high, 28th high, it is highly bullish, and break below 28th low, it is highly bearish. Okay. And today it exactly touched our weekly number, which is 66641, and closed little below. Okay. And today Nifty future number converged. So whenever, even last time, you have seen that whenever Nifty future number converged or Bank Nifty number converged, futures, I'm talking about futures, you will see explosion. Any side, it may be on the upside or it may be on the downside. And blessing in disguise was tomorrow's weekly expiry. So anything may happen, whether we are going to see an explosion tomorrow or most probably on Friday. So within these 2 days, you are going to see explosion on one side. And today it was actually a zigzag pattern, but tomorrow it will be one side move, or day after it will be a one side move. In Nifty, I'm expecting. Let's watch this. And any move above today's high, you will see minimum 250 points on the upside. I've already told you yesterday that trend change date will give minimum 250 points in Nifty and 750 points in Bank Nifty. And today it is already done. Again, tomorrow, whenever it crosses above today's high, you will see minimum 250 points on the upside. When it crosses today's low, you will see minimum 250 points on the downside. You can mark this date high and low, and you can watch it in the full March month. Okay. And for Bank Nifty, it is 750 points. Okay. I've already mentioned here. And metal, I have given all the targets here. You can note it down in your trading system, and you can watch all these targets. And tomorrow is weekly expiry. So first 30 minutes high and low, we'll do the matching. Okay. Watch it. It may be a trending move also. Let's see whether we are going to see another 250 points, maybe on the upside or on the downside. Fingers crossed. Okay. So numbers, I've already given everything here. So you can use this number, right? And trend deciding number, intraday number, everything I've given here. Bank Nifty, below this number, it is bearish. This is an intraday deciding number. Okay. And this one today, BEL was rocking, and it again, it closed at 216, close above or move above and hold this number for 15 or 30 minutes. It's good, and above 224, it's a breakout. Okay, about 225, it's a breakout. I'll show you in my screen. Okay, and tomorrow is Tata Chem, Metropolis, and Petronet. Okay, so we'll watch these three counters. I'm yet to add all the counters because I'm still working on. So mostly, 70% is work is over. I'll try to publish all the dates for all the stocks for the month of March. So this is what I want to convey to you for tomorrow. And let's go to BEML. Sorry, BEL. Okay, and I'll close this. Okay, so weekly, nothing to worry. And today was the date, right? So even last time, the important blue color date happened on 17th January, and from there it started correcting. Okay, and it came and touched exactly my blue color, went up, came down, went up again. This is not a this is still in green color, so you don't need to worry. And today exactly it went and touched my red color, which is 219.60. Now and close to below. Break above this, it's a breakout, a simple breakout above this, and you can watch 224, 223, 24 level, which is here. Any close above 225, you can see explosion in BEL. Let's watch. So it exactly touched and closed after touching my red color number, red color decide. Let's see how it is going to plan out for tomorrow, right? That's all I want to conclude this video. So again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, cryptos, or whatever. Consult your financial advisors to take the financial decisions. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Yesterday, someone asked me about 18 number. What is the impact? Because I said no, Nifty will bottom out in the month of October, and Russian index will bottom out in the month of November. Why? There's a clarification. So I explained. I've told him to call him also. So whatever doubts you have, you kindly post it to me. I'll see what best I can do for that. Okay. Thanks a lot. Good night. Bye.